In this week's rena-fi Mindshare interview excerpt, we ask ADHD coach and professional organizer Leslie Robison one quick question. How can we manage our time better during the busy holiday season?
One of the things that I have people do, besides being aware of whether you're looking at the short term, the foreground, whether you're looking at, I use a car for example, whether you're looking at your dashboard, the end of your car, or where you're going, I think that works for time as well. So we talk about the short term, the mid ground, and the farther view, but also making a time map, taking a calendar that's either on paper or electronic, and making appointments and obligations and even your downtime in color on that sheet. For me, what that does is it helps me know when I'm out of balance, if I have too much playtime or too much work or too much of an obligation to other people. When I start to feel stressed for time, I can just look at that and see that my colors are even or they're out of balance or whatever. I think it's really important to remember that anything you say yes to, you're automatically saying no to something else. So when everybody else's schedule is inflicting stress upon you because you had a different idea of how you wanted to spend your time, if you say yes to their schedule, you're saying no to what you wanted to do. And maybe you're somebody that just needs more downtime, or maybe you can't wait to get to every single party. The point is to remember how you want to do it. It's your holiday. And if somebody else is disappointed, I think it's important to note that and to address that, but it's really their problem. It's their wish to include you. And I think it's a really good conversation starter. If they're upset that you can't do something, well, then there's something off in the relationship. And it's okay to be able to say, look, December is just crammed. Can we do it in January or February? So having, the three views and having the map, and then being able to say, no, I just really don't want to go, or I have too many parties that week, or, the kids have too many play dates. It's okay to give people a break.